Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload ebooks on Gumroad. So when you are on your Gumroad account, you're going to click products and you're going to click add new product. Now here you have to choose the name of the product. So let's write down healing journal, for example, self-healing ebook maybe. And now you of course going to choose ebook and write down the price and click next, customize. Now you're going to write out the description here of your healing book, etc, etc. I'm not going to do that for this video. Now right there you can enter the URL. So for example, self-healing ebook, and this will be your URL with your username, and you're just going to copy it to clipboard and you can share it wherever you want. Now what you can also do is enter your custom domain if you want to, but basically now you want to upload the cover. The cover would be 1280 720 pixels, and when you choose to upload, there are options from computer files or external link. I'm gonna choose computer files. And now this is how it looks like. Now when you scroll down, there is a thumbnail. So thumbnail is 600 times 600 pixels, and let's just upload the file. Now once the thumbnail was uploaded, we want to choose call to action. So buy this, pay, or I want this. I'm just gonna do buy this, what they will get. So self-healing ebook, etc, etc, pages. So you want to as you can see, there is additional details like pages. So for example, if it's 50 pages, you want to write that down. You want to write that down, how many chapters, for example, and so on and so forth. So this just adds a value to your book. Now you can also invite your customers to Discord or Circle, but we're not going to do that. The pricing, or you can also allow customers to pay what they want if you click on this, but we're not going to do that too. Offer variations. If you offer different variations, add them here, and you can also choose here publicly show the number of sales, allow customers to choose the quantity, and refund policy. But for digital products, there's mostly no refund. So that's basically it. Now we're gonna save and continue. Now here you need to enter what you are selling and upload the file. So to upload a file, you want to click on this arrow and you want to choose computer files, Dropbox, import, or embed video. So of course we're going to choose computer files. And once it's uploaded, you can also write down something here like so, etc, etc. And your motivation ebook is now here. All you have to do is just publish and continue. And once you are here, you can now share it on Facebook, X, or copy the URL and share it anywhere else, like Pinterest, for example. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.